Hello, sir. My name is Fernando Otniel, and I'm from class 17.5D.07. My student number is 17231198. And today, I would like to share my presentation about computer hardware. We all use computers and smartphone every day, but many people don't really know what's inside them. In this presentation, I will talk about the main components and how they work together and how modern hardware keep improving. I hope you will find it interesting and easy to follow. Let's start with the first slide. Computer hardware refers to the tangible components that make up a computer system. It includes all the electronic and mechanical parts what perform specific tasks like processing data, storing information, and displaying results. Hardware works together with software, which provide instructions and tell the hardware what to do. Without software, hardware is useless, and without hardware, software has nothing to run on. Okay, the next slide is slide 3. Main types of hardware. There are 5 main types of computer hardware that work together to perform all computing tasks. Input device, such as a keyboard, mouse, and microphone, allow us to enter data. And there is processing units, like the CPU, handle calculations and logic. Memory temporarily stores data being used. Storage device like SSD or hard drives keep data permanently. Finally, the output device, such as monitor and printers, display or produce the results. All these parts connect to form a complete and functional computer system. The next slide is CPU, the brain of the computer. The CPU, or central processing unit, is often called the brain of the computer because it performs all the processing and control functions. It interprets instructions, executes commands, and manages the flow of data within the system. Modern CPUs are extremely powerful and can perform billions of operations per second. Alongside the CPU, the GPU helps with renderings project or running games and handling design or AI related computations make our device more faster and more efficient. Memory and storage. Memory and storage are both used to keep data, but they serve different purposes. RAM is temporary. It stores data only while the computer is running and helps applications run quickly. Storage, such as SSD or hard drives, holds data permanently, even after the power is off. In simple terms, memory is short-term and fast, while the storage is long-term and larger. The balance between memory and storage determines how efficiently a computer performs. Okay, the next slide is how hardware works. Every computer follows a simple but powerful information cycle: input, process, storage, output. First, we input data using device like a keyboard or camera. Then the CPU processes the data according to the software instructions. The results may be stored temporarily in memory or permanently in the storage. Finally, the output is displayed on a monitor or printed on the paper. This cycle happens thousands of times per second in every computer system we use. Okay, the last slide is Modern trends and conclusions. Today's hardware continues to evolve rapidly. Devices are becoming smarter, faster, and smaller. From powerful AI chips and quantum processors to cloud data centers that store massive amounts of information. Modern trends like IoT or Internet of Things and mobile computing rely heavily on advanced hardware to connect our world. In conclusions, computer hardware is the foundation of all technology. It supports everything from smartphones to supercomputers, enabling innovation and improving our lives every day. Okay, sir. So will be the end of my presentation. Thank you for your time and your kindness for teaching us from the first minute until now. I hope you have a nice day, sir. Thank you very much.